Okay, here we are, Pure Mathematics, Year 2, Edexcel, Chapter 2, what is it? Functions and Graphs, Question 2. So, the modulus of 2x minus 1 equals a half x plus k, and we are told it has two distinct solutions. Find the range of possible values for k. Okay. Well, these are two relatively straightforward graphs, straight line graphs, obviously one with a modulus in it. But let's have a little look at what they look like before we begin. So, 2x minus 11, well, if minus 11 is down here, and 2x is coming up this way, it's going to look something like that. But because it's modulus, it's not actually going to come there. It's going to bounce on the x-axis and come up here. So the graph that you are left with is this bouncing V shape here. Now we can work out where the bounce must be happening, and we can probably work out what this is as well. Okay, so this point here should be, well, it's going to be when y equals 0. So if we do 0 equals 2x minus 11, then we will find that 11 equals 2x and x equals 5.5. So this point here is 5.5. Okay, now then, this next bit, a half xk. Okay, a half xk is a very low gradient thing that's coming through here, and it's going to come along here, and so that's your half x plus k. Now clearly, at the moment, the way I've drawn it, it doesn't have any solutions. But as the value for k increases, it will move up, and eventually you will get those 2 points where it crosses. Okay, so we need to find where we get it that ultimately this green line comes up here and just touches there at that point there on the 0, because at that point we need to know that its 0 has an x of 5.5. So we can put it in, and we can say that 0 equals a half of 5.5 plus k. And so what's a half of 5.5? 11 over 4. So we can say minus 11 over 4 is equal to k. Now that's when it touches it just the once. When we get this down here, and it becomes the minus 11 over 4, or 2.75 sort of thing. Okay, which makes sense. Now, what is the range of possible values? Well, at that point it would have one solution, but we are told it has two solutions. So we need k to be anything greater than 11 over 4. And at that point it's always higher, and thus will touch the graph twice in that point, giving it the idea there that it comes up like this. Okay, so greater than minus 11.4.